Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. Wonderful villa in Nova Santa Ponsa with sea views in traditional Mediterranean style. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom family villa in a much sought after residential area has beautiful sea views. It has everything needed to create the perfect family home. The open plan style house leads out onto spacious tiled terraces where one can relax, dine and socialise. All of this a stone's throw away from all amenities, golf course, shops and beautiful sandy beaches. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.